Well, how big is this fucker's hand? Life size. So whatever Thanos or whatever his fucking name is, Thanos, get out of here. Literally the size of the Hulk. Why do you even need the glove? Shit. What do you do with a box this big? The box is the unboxing.
If you are a fan of Marvel, if you're a fan of the Avengers, just like I am, comment below. And if you cannot wait to see the Endgame, just like I do, I'm probably gonna watch it twice. Make sure you comment below. Give me a thumbs up. It is here. It is here. I've been waiting this for a long time.
It's here.
Infinity Gauntlet! Whoa!
Oh, there you go.
Drum roll. It is so, look, it's so freaking big. Look at this thing. This is like Christmas time.
Hey man,
look at this thing. Okay, look at this thing. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Boom! Wow, look at that. Look at the size of this thing. Okay, let's take this out first.
All right.
Oh, it is so heavy. All right. Awesome. Boom. Let's take this down. Wow.
That's crazy.
This is insane. Look at this thing.
Massive. What is it?
Boom! Look at this. Wow.
All right.
Okay.
Poster.
Poster right here. Poster. Okay. Let's put down right here. I think it actually lights up, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's grab that. Let's see.
Bring out the gauntlet. Let's bring out the gauntlet.
Is it heavy?
It's pretty heavy.
It's pretty, let's take this out slowly. Wow.
There we go.
There we go. There's a couple stones. Hold it tightly. Hold it tightly.
Got it.
The middle one. Yes. Wow. I'll take this out.
Crazy.
Okay. Let's see.
There you go.
There we go. Okay. Thanos has a huge hand. That's all I could say. Wow. We need to plug this in first, I think.
All right, we're plugged in.
Okay. There it is. Holy motherfucker.
All right, here we
Let's
go.
see. Here we go.
Moment of truth.
All right.
Let's try.
Let's try this one. Is it lit up?
Is there an on button? Oh.
Oh! Wow!
Wait, let's take the
Oh! You hear that? This is too powerful. Boom! This is awesome. Look at this. Holy shit. It is too powerful. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more unboxing, make sure you comment below. I know that you've been waiting for the Iron Man suit unboxed. I want to do it too. We are figuring things out. It is not easy to put that suit on, but I promise you stay tuned. We will do that very soon. Until then, Wakanda forever!